Welcome children to English 2 lessons. Today we are going to do grammar station on page number 63 of the lesson The Rickshaw Puller. Grammar station deals with in participles gerund and to infinitive. We have learned about participles gerund in the earlier video, so I know it would not be difficult for you. So gerund is a verbal noun. A verbal noun means it can act as a verb acting as a subject of a sentence or as the object of a sentence. And participles are verbal adjectives, verbs which does the function of an adjective. Gerund and present participles end in ing form of the verb. We know that when an ing form of the word, when it is used to qualify a noun, then it is a participle. It is a present participle, and when an ing form of the verb is used as the subject of the sentence or object of the sentence, it is a gerund. So participles, present participles end in ing, past participles end in ed, d, t, en or just n. We have learned all that, and we know what gerunds, we know what are participles, and we know to infinitive also. So we'll go to the exercises that is on page 65. Underline the gerunds and present participles in the following sentences. Then write G for gerund and PR for present participles. The first one is hunting animals is not allowed in this country. So there it is a gerund. The missing child was traced by the police yesterday. Missing child, missing is a present participle. Barking dogs, again barking is a present participle. I love building sand castles on the beach. So there building is a gerund. The teacher narrated an interesting story. Interesting is present participle. And the doctors say that dancing is good for health. So there dancing is a gerund. Now make changes in the words given in the box to form gerunds and fill in the blanks to complete the sentence. Dash an award for something. Dash an award for something that I love doing makes me happy. So you have to change the form of the words given in the box there. So dash an award, receiving an award. Dash makes a person healthy, exercising. Besides doing my artwork for school, dash books, reading books takes up much of my leisure time. My dog's favorite activity is swimming. She does not appreciate the dog's favorite activity is swimming. She does not appreciate my singing. Then combine the following pairs of sentences into single sentence using to infinitive. Remember to make the necessary grammatical changes where required. One has been done for you. We were excited, we won the match. We were excited to win the match. Second one, I go to the gymnasium, I exercise there. I go to the gymnasium to exercise. Then he is strong enough, he can lift this dumbbell. He is strong enough to lift the dumbbell. I am too tired, I cannot walk. I am too tired to walk. The next one is the coffee was extremely bitter. It cannot be drunk. The coffee was extremely bitter to drink. Then make changes in the words given in the box to form past participle. The cat took shelter behind a dash tree trunk. It is fallen tree trunk. The dash cake tasted awful. The burnt cake, burnt. The dash carpets on the floor of the dining room are from Turkey. The hand woven. HANDWOVEN. Then next is Bose, the Dash Hero is a movie directed by Shyam Benegal. The Frightening Hero. The Dash Child was the Forgotten Hero. The Forgotten Hero is a movie directed by Shyam Benegal. The Dash Child, the frightened child, was crying loudly. Some incorrect collocations have been used in these sentences. Rewrite them correctly. The travel writer had a lot of mixed stories to tell us. It's not mixed stories, it is short stories. Then the next one, we need to get a keg of milk as well. We need to get a can of milk. It's not a keg of milk, it's a can of milk. If he is busy, can you please make a message for him? Can you please send a message for him? The guard's behavior was carefully horrid. It was not carefully horrid, it is terribly horrid. Do not be afraid from dogs, it is do not be afraid of dogs. Then the next one, sixth one, match the words from column A and B to form collocations and then fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. Absolutely exhausted, movie ticket, accused of, make decision, have breakfast, sympathy for. So now you will fill in the blanks. I will have breakfast as soon as I wake up. The king had no sympathy for the common people. I saved my pocket money to buy a movie ticket. And the next one is, he was wrongly accused of stealing. I was dash after. I was absolutely exhausted after the dance class. You should think before you make a decision. Then the next is, make sentences using the following collocations. Quite sure. That is for you to do. You should make sentences. Waste time. Recommend to. Abide by. Make sure. So I know that you will be able to make sentences. So we'll stop the video here. Our exercises are over. So we'll stop here. Good day to you. Thank you.